Next song I am going to play is Niti Mullai.
My name is Kadir. I am from Second Achievers. Today I am going to perform some drum beats.
Audience, see him. Honorable Dignitary Dr. Ratnakar Garu, Chairman Jagan Mohan Rao Garu, CEO Madan Mohan Rao Garu, Director Ramarao Sir, Principal Kavita Ma'am, Vice Principal Shailaja, other principals Kukatpalli and Sheetal, Mrs. Devya and Janaki, our IB coordinator Mrs. Shubha Ma'am, dear parents, staff and my dear students, a warm welcome to you. I want to share a few words with you and I am going to complete it within 1 minute, I promise you. Akshara's vision is to find ways to make the educational system more humane, equitable and relevant to the changing world scenario using technology to link school and youth globally. We empower the students not only with new knowledge in different fields of learning, but also trying to develop positive thinking and values which will lead to the development of self-esteem as well as to the progress and development of society as large. We nurture our children into lovely human with enlightened minds and compassionate hearts who grow up to make the world a more vibrant, peaceful and beautiful place in which all can live in harmony. Dear parents, to the future, please dream and achieve with us at Akshara. Thank you.
A warm welcome to the August gathering. To the members of the management, our esteemed guest of honor, Dr. K.S. Ratnakar, my dear colleagues, students and parents. It gives me great pleasure to present the first annual report of Akshara International School. Pleasure because it is indeed a matter of great pride to have achieved the initial milestones. I believe we have stood the test of our first year because, in the words of Thoreau, he who chooses the beginning of the road chooses the place it leads to. Akshara International School was established with the intention of culminating the best of pedagogic advancements into mainstream education. Academics have always been the cornerstone of the Akshara education philosophy. We are proud to have made a smooth transition from a didactic form of classroom delivery to a more dynamic, student-centered one. The regular classroom is a throbbing hub of activity with the content delivered by various means: activities, videos, presentations, and multiple features. The consolidation of all skills gathered is often evaluated with an integrated project spanning across various subjects, including arts and music. Particularly in the pre-primary section, it is ensured that various measures are taken for reinforcement of concepts. Various days were designated as Blue, Yellow and Flower Day to have the added element of color, festivity and visual stimulus. The field trips to various places were planned to enhance the unit of inquiry in progress. Various visits to the zoological parks, reserves, museums, planetariums and nurseries were made with great zeal. The visit to the NRSE, the National Remote Sensing Center, where our students were among the 300 invitees, roused the scientific spirit in many of our students. Sudhakars fueled the inherent creative energies of our students. The high point of the expeditions being the reflections and deductions made and shared on the following day. One such reflection day had the entire staff of Akshara scrambling for an answer. Why is tiger the national animal of India when the lion is the king of the jungle and a part of our national emblem? To us, it was an indicator of our achievement. We had kindled the spirit of inquiry within our child. One of the challenges faced by the Akshara team was optimum utilization of the huge play area and sports facilities. Blessed with a 3-acre campus and a view that physical fitness is paramount in a child's development, Akshara has collaborated with the school sports program to create a positive sporting experience with a focus on windows of trainability, which can be worked on if a child's growth is monitored. The various parameters being speed, flexibility, balance and coordination. Students play various games: basketball, tennis, cricket. The martial arts period is one of the most popular, with the swimming period competing for the same slot. The ETZ, the extra time zone, further gives children an opportunity to hone their sports skills and exploit their fitness levels. The school schedule devotes 25 to 35% of the time to playground and other activity. The medical examination conducted for our students under the banner of the well-known Kamineni hospitals has bolstered our confidence in the program. At Akshara, we believe that the co-curricular activities bring to a fore the creativity and artistic temperament of the child. We believe that these activities nurture the attitudes of leadership, appreciation, integrity, commitment and enthusiasm. We believe our activities have reaffirmed our viewpoint. Be it the diya making, card making, rangoli, elocution, storytelling, fancy dress, recitation or card making, our students have participated with zeal and enthusiasm. Our children received appreciation in various competitions. At the Kids Fair, Shreya, Harshit and Geetanjali won the first, second and third prizes in various categories in the drawing and painting, and Manasmita won the first prize in the dance competitions. Our martial arts team also won a trophy in the inter-school competition. The myriad events conducted at Akshara are a reflection